Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, July 8th. So what's going on news-wise? We look at forexfactory.com calendar and take a look. What do we got at 10 a.m.? We've got final wholesale inventories month over month. At 10:30, we have crude oil inventories. At 1:01 p.m., we have the 10-year bond auction. And at 2 p.m., we have a red item. A red item means high impact. FOMC meeting minutes. This is the details of the last FOMC meeting. We'll get the actual hardcore transcripts and whatnot from that meeting. At 3 o'clock, we have consumer credit month over month, and that is it for the day. So one red item, 2 p.m., be aware, trade appropriately. Taking a look at the daily chart, you can see we had a down day yesterday on average volume. We are currently gapping down. We're right at the moving averages, the 20-day and the 100-day, 50-day, sorry. We're right at it. We are below this longer-term trend line. We are also below this trend line and going across the top of those highs. So we seem to be going sideways. We're still in this little rectangular box, just going sideways over the last week or so. Short term, I definitely think we're just going sideways. Medium term is actually starting to look sideways, going all the way back to May, haven't gone anywhere. Long term, obviously, we're still up because we are above the 200-day moving average. Says we're still technically bullish, but boy, it sure looks like we are popping out. Where could we go? I think we could retest these highs from a few days ago, that 76.06 area. If we take out the overnight low and this low from the Thursday the 2nd, 84.73, I think things could get a little bit on the ugly side. Volume is really pathetic here this week after 4th of July. Taking a look at the inventory intraday, you can see we had down price action yesterday, but we had positive inventory. Again, this is just a repeated pattern. Down day, positive inventory. This is the buy the dip, folks. I have no idea how long this pattern can continue, but once the pattern breaks, it's going to be ugly because it will be a very crowded trade. So moving on, looking at the overnight action. So overnight action was 96 points. That's pretty significant, way above even the short-term average, and almost 5 times normal long-term average. So crazy action overnight. Where do we have support and resistance? So we scrunch this down a little bit. Resistance on the top side, 75.67, 75.87, 75.98, close enough to the 7,600 number. Probably a range between 75.98 and about 76.02-ish. Above that, 76.09. And then again, we get above that, we're in all-time highs and unlikely to figure out where resistance is. There is a level at 76.64. On the other hand, looking at support, what do we have? Support right around the overnight low, 74.71. Below that, 74.56. Spread this out just a little bit, 74.44. 74.25, 74.13.25. So there you have support and resistance levels. Stock Traders Almanac for today, 57.1. Fifth chance the market will be up today from the Stock Traders Almanac. Hope you have a great day. Happy trading. Remember, subscribe and like. See you tomorrow. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.